Let's move to the top. Another topic you raised, the buzzword of the day, AI. Clearly AI is very, very compute heavy, but it's also very data heavy. So talk about data and the whole use cases that SAP is starting to launch.
So SAP recently announced Business Data Cloud, right? In my opinion, that is a huge thing. One of the best innovations to come out of SAP. But does everybody understand what is BDC? In simple terms, in my opinion, it is a cloud, or whatever little I've understood about BDC so far, it is a cloud-based solution from SAP that allows businesses to unify and manage data from various SAP applications and other external sources, which can provide a single consistent view of information. That's it. That, in my opinion, is BDC. But why such a huge buzz about BDC? Because it has the potential to change how digital transformation happens. This means that all apps are potentially only there for purpose of providing data. So your ERP, your CRM, your SCM, your APO, they are all only providing data. And then, they enrich all the AI initiatives that an organization is running. So basically, they are making sure that everything becomes a data source and pushing all the organizations toward the AI initiatives, right? But before BDC came into place, right, SAP already has been doing a lot of data work. They have been leveraging data for predictive maintenance, right? They have been able to collate and collect and use sensor data, machine learning algorithms to predict equipment failures before they occur, enabling preventive maintenance and reducing downtime, right? So all that has already been happening. SAP has been able to use historical sales data, market trends, predict future demand, which is very, very important in retail industry. I've done a lot of work in retail in my life, and this is a huge thing for a retailer. If he or she can figure out what the future demand will be, most of the retailers, know that weekends will be heavy, so that they can work with their warehouses to see that they are rightly stocked. So it is very, very important to get the right demand forecasting. And that helps optimize inventory management and obviously at the back of it, production planning, right? Another important aspect of data is fraud detection. It is becoming very, very important today's time and age when everything is moving to online, right? There are a lot of fraudulent transactions in real time. Through anomaly detection algorithms, SAP is helping all their customers, which is, basically effectively your financial losses are getting reduced. So a lot of fraud detection work has been happening. Personalized product recommendations. Everybody, wants to be unique, right? In retail industry, we talked about, there's a concept called one customer, right? So every customer wants to be very different. So SAP can leverage customer data to provide tailored product suggestions, which obviously helps with sales, which helps with customer satisfaction, and then workforce optimization, which is obviously we all have seen that over the years, how SAP has been doing work in helping organizations optimize their staffing levels, improve their staffing levels, etc. Having said that, let's go back to what I said at the beginning, Business Data Cloud, right? After ERP and BTP and complete portfolio of AI solutions and technologies, which are powered by a fleet of agents, orchestrated by Joule, and our agent builder and partner built agents. In my opinion, BDC will use all of them because it will accelerate the time to value by harmonizing all the enterprise data that you have today, as I said, from CRM, ERP, etc., whether it's inside SAP or outside SAP. I just love it. I just love the concept of BDC.
I mean, let's get into AI in a minute. On BDC, I agree with you. In the SAP family, it brings a lot of things together, right? Because SAP has so many different products. I think we'll come back in a few months when BDC has been rolled out and find that external to SAP is still a little caution in customers, right? They don't want to share their data with any vendor. They want to keep some of the data for themselves to train their own models.